Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up tracking notifications using AfterShip with Shopify step by step clearly. To set up tracking notifications using AfterShip with Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type AfterShip and press enter. Find the AfterShip app in the search results and click on it. Click the Add App button to install AfterShip on your Shopify store. Once installed, open the AfterShip app from your Shopify admin. You will need to create an account if you don't have one already. Follow the prompts to set up your AfterShip account. After creating your account, return to the AfterShip dashboard. Click on the Settings tab in the left-hand menu. Under the Notifications section, enable the Tracking Notifications feature. Now, you can customize your email and SMS notifications. Find the option to set up your tracking email templates. Edit the subject lines and message content according to your branding. You can also add dynamic tracking links for more personalization. Next, scroll down to the SMS notification settings. Enter the phone number format and customize the SMS messages. After customizing your notifications, navigate to the Carriers section. Ensure that all your shipping carriers are added and configured correctly. If necessary, connect your Shopify shipping carriers to AfterShip. Once your carriers are set, go back to the dashboard. Look for the Integrations section to connect AfterShip with Shopify. Follow the prompts to confirm the integration is successful. After integration, go to the Tracking tab to start importing your shipment data. Click Import Shipments to synchronize your recent orders. After the data import is complete, you can test the notifications. Place a test order in your Shopify store to simulate a shipment. Once the order is processed, monitor if tracking notifications are sent. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.